Good morning, students. I am Bhimesh, math teacher. Today we are going to discuss progressions from the class 10th. In these progressions, let us discuss this problem about sequence. What is the sequence? Yes, the group of the numbers followed by a rule is called sequence. In this question, given rule is an is equal to minus 1 whole power n into 2 power n. We are asking first 5 terms. Okay, so first 5 terms. To get first 5 terms, substitute n is equal to 1 to 5 numbers. So why we are started from n is equal to 1? Yes, counting numbers means natural numbers only. So counting numbers, we cannot start from 0. Okay, suppose to find the strength of your class, let us discuss from 1. Vegetable seller, how will calculate? How many brinjals are there? How many tomatoes are there? Starting from 1 only now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you substitute, you will get first 5 terms. Okay, first you substitute n is equal to 1 in the given rule. Then you will get first term. Here written n is equal to 1. So substitute 1. Where it is n? Substitute 1. Minus 1 whole power 1 means minus 1 only. Into 2. So minus 1 into 2. Minus 2 is the first term. Suppose to find second term, substitute n where n is equal to 2. So a2 is equal to minus 1 whole square into 2 square. This is equal to 1 into 4. Minus 1 whole square plus 1 only. 1 into 4, 4. This is the second term. Now third term is a3. Minus 1 whole cube into 2 cube. So minus 1 if you multiply by itself 3 times, you will get a minus 1 only. Minus power odd number minus 1 power any number 1 only. So this is minus 1 into 2 cube means 8. So this is minus 8. This is the third term. Now fourth term is minus 1 whole power 4 into 2 power 4. Here dot means into, you know that. Minus 1 power 4 means plus 1. Into 2 power 4 is 16. So 116 or 16. This is fourth term. So finally find a5 also. Fifth term. Minus 1 whole power 5 into 2 power 5 is equal to minus 1 power odd number minus 1 only. 2 power 5 means 32. So 32 into minus 1 minus 32. So we got first 5 terms of the given sequence. What are they? Write the required sequences. Minus 2, 4, minus 8, 16 and minus 32. Okay, did you understand? Very good. Second question. In this sequence, T1 is equal to 1. First term, T1 means first term. First term is 1. Here asking first 3 terms. So given rule is here. Tn is equal to given rule. What is the given rule here? Tn is equal to Tn minus 1 by n. On the where n is greater than or equal to 2. It means n greater than or equal to 2 means n is 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. Now substitute n is equal to 2 in the given rule. If you substitute n is equal to where n is equal to 2 here, you will get T2 is equal to T2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, this is equal to T2 minus 1 means T1 by 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. T1. T2 is depends upon T1. Where T1 is 1, we know that. So right here 1 by 2. This is the second term. Similarly, third term also we have to find. T3 equal to, right? Substitute 3 now. T3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by here n is equal to 3. 3. This is equal to T2 by 3. Do you know here T3 is depends upon T2. What is the value of T2? 1 by 2. Substitute here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 3. So 1 by 2, 2 into 3. This is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly, we can find T4, T5, T6 also. So we will find T4 also. Substitute T4 here. 4 minus 1 by 4. This is equal to T3 by 4. So T3 value is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 by 4. So 1 by 6 into 4, 24. Similarly, find T5 also. Actually, here asked 3 times only, but I am finding T5 also. T5 minus 1 by 5. This is T4 by 5. T4 is 1 by 24 divided by 5. So 1 by 24 into 5. This is 1 by 120. These are the first 5 terms. Therefore, first 5 terms are, first one is 1. Second one is 1 by 2. Third one is 1 by 6. Fourth one is 1 by 24. Last one, fifth one is 1 by 120. See, these are the given required results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Third question. In this question, in arithmetic progression, A is equal to minus 2. Common difference D is equal to minus 3. Then 14th term asking. Similarly, nth term also asking. Okay. A means minus 2 means first term given here, indirectly given. First term of arithmetic progression T1 is equal to A is equal to minus 2. And common difference D is equal to minus 3. Then T14 asking. We know that T14 is equal to 14th term. In this arithmetic progression, many terms are there. From that, 14th term is asking. So we know that T14 in arithmetic progression is A plus 13D or not? Yes. A plus 13D is the 14th term of AP, you know clearly. We have discussed already. From Tn is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D now. From that we got it. You remember, if you find T100, A plus 99D only. You know that. Okay. So I am writing formula also here. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here substitute 14. 14 minus 1, 13D will come. T14 is equal to A plus 14 minus 1, 13D you will get. Now T14 equal to A means minus 2 plus 13 into D value given minus 3. So write minus 3 here. So minus 2 plus 13 minus 3 multiply minus 39. So this is equal to minus 2 minus 39. Answer is minus 41 is the T14. Both are negative symbols, now we add them. Similarly, find Tn. Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. Right here, A value substitute here minus 2. Given A minus 2. D value is minus 3. So Tn equal to minus 2 minus 3n minus of minus plus 3. So minus 3n plus 3 minus 2 plus 1. This is the nth term. Tn minus 3n plus 1. Similarly, T14 minus 41. So without finding this T14, directly you substitute here. Simply you will get T14. Put n is equal to 14 here. Minus 3 into 14 plus 1. This is equal to minus 42 plus 1. Answer is minus 41. So we can find in this method also T14 without doing this one. Okay. Next question. Fourth question. The eighth term of AP is 17. Yes. And the 19th term is 39. So what do we find? 25th term asking. So T25 is how much? That is the question. T8 means we know that A plus 70 equal to 70. Okay. T19 how will you express? T19 equal to A plus 38D. Am I right? Yes. So right here A plus T19 means A plus 18D. T19 means A plus 18D equal to 39. Given that. So A plus 18D and A plus 7D, if you simplify, you will get A value or D value, any one of them. I am writing just A plus 18 means A plus 7D plus 11D. Just I split 18D is 70 plus 11D because 18 rupees are there. 7 rupees plus 11 rupees. Why not? Of course, 10 rupees plus 8 rupees also 18 rupees only. But how I written here A plus 70 plus 11D? Because of A plus 70 value we know that. Just write here A plus 70 value is 17. Simplification is easy. Plus 11D equal to 39. Okay, instead of A plus 70 only I written 17. Understood? 11D equal to 39 minus 17. The 17 is standing that side. So D equal to 22 and this 11 will be divided here. 11 here cancel 2 times. We got it 2. D value is 2. So to find any term, D value required and A value also required. That's why to get A value, I am writing D value in A plus 70 equal to 70. Okay. Put D equal to here. Put D equal to 2. A plus 70 equal to 70. A plus 7 into 2 equal to 17. So A plus 14 equal to 17. A equal to 17 minus 14. A value is 3. Yes, we got it, A value and D value. Now substitute these two values in T25. How will you write T25? T25 is nothing but A plus 24D. A value how much? 3. D value how much? 2. So 3 plus 24, 2 are 48. So this is 81. Therefore, T25 is 51. Okay, got it?